Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. And we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the US dollar Swiss, I have my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here because we did have low, high, low, high, low, high. Now we have a higher low, so more than likely this wave is over. Based on the higher time frames, the daily is down, the weekly is down, and the monthly is down. So that means that we kind of need to assume that anything we see to the upside is very likely just a pullback to the last wave down. So I personally, as more of a swing trader, am definitely waiting for sorts. Now, if you are a very short time frame trader, you could try to go long, but I think that we potentially are going to go up at least to the 50 or the 61%. Maybe we end up doing something like this over the next day or so, giving me some sort of a three-way pullback, and then that would be the next sorting opportunity that I would be waiting for is a three-way pullback to a Fibonacci retracement level and a nice engulfing move to the downside. Like I said, if you are a very short time frame trader, which I definitely am not, then you could try to look for some logs, maybe up to one of these higher fib levels. But the problem is that the trend is down on all the higher time frames, and these counter trend moves can be very unpredictable, very choppy, and very difficult to make money with. I would much prefer to wait for the three-way pullback and go short for the continuation of the higher time frame trend. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpip.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.